entitled The Administration of Parliament Amendment Bill be approved. Those in favor say unto the contrary, nay. The ayes have it.
The other political parties, we don't talk about the position of one political party. We talk about opposition parties in parliament. Which type of equity do you talk about when 17 positions are taken by one political party, and yet we have more than 5 political parties in parliament? What are the defects in the existing legislation? When you look at the cabinet, Right Honorable Speaker and members, out of 30 ministers, 20 of them are from one political party. The rest share only 10. We are saying you want to entrench democracy. What you preach to us is what you must practice. What are the defects in the existing law? In July 2005, Uganda transitioned from the movement political system to a multi-party political system through a national referendum. The adoption of the multi-party system of governance saw the amendment of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda to create the office of the Leader of Opposition in Parliament. And subsequently in 2006, the Administration of Parliament Act was amended to provide for the office of the Leader of Opposition. Section 8 of the Administration of Parliament Act provides for the election of the Leader of Opposition in Parliament to the government, having the greatest numerical strength in Parliament. Whereas
an inclusive process that will be open to all members of the opposition parties, irrespective of their numerical strength in Parliament. 2. What will happen in a situation where 2 opposition parties get equal MPs elected in the House? Who will be now appointing the leader of opposition? The law is for the future. The law is for the future. The proposals in the bill give a voice to the smaller parties in the decision making of Parliament.
The previous 2 members have been referring to us, the independents, to be part or involved in the election of the leader of opposition. Yet, the leader of opposition is defined, and me as an independent, I do not subscribe to NRM, I do not subscribe to the opposition. So, Right Honorable Speaker, as an independent, I wouldn't want to be involved in any matter concerning the opposition or the NRM, unless I do have a memorandum of understanding as some of the independents who have the MOUs with the National Resistance Movement.
Read is made, and what the mover is seeking to do is shall and forcefully conscript independent members to permanently be part of the opposition, and that is unconstitutional. If you read the provisions of Article 71(1)(f), no one is mandatorily forced to belong to a political party. So I oppose it on the grounds that
Ekiteeso kino kubanga ekigendererwa kyange si kyakuba ku opposition lubeerera. Ab'opposition ba leero beba gavumenti y'enkya. Mu 1998 Museveni yayisaamu MP omu. Yali munafu nnyo, olwaleero yatufuza emyaka 4. Abe-NRM kabeetera amateeka aganaabafuga nga bavudde mu buyinza. Era tufe tetujja kufiirawo nnyo. Ekikulu kino ekintu kimenya ssemateeka, kizze mutima mubi, kiri mutima gwabwe nantagambwako. Kakati nze batwale omutima gwabwe ogw'obwa nantagambwako. Twali wano ne mukyala Anite nga bino ebintu abiwagira.
Lead of government business. Singa nno bazze nga bagamba nti fe aba independents tetufiibwako, naffe twetaagawo the lead of independence. Awo kyandibadde kiwulirwa. Naye oledde oli nampa wengwa. Kyennyamiza n'okwennyamiza nti etteeka alireeta wa NRM. Olumiriro lwa opposition. Towuliddeeko nga bakomplaininga olw'okuba omuntu omu yavuddeyo n'anyiiga ebigambo leader of opposition bye yamwogeddeko. Kubanga era etteeka likiprovidinga bulungi nti leader of opposition omulimu gw'omukulu ku keepinga this government in check.
Teri bakkiriza wabula sipiika yennyini yakkiriza yekka kuba House yonna egambye no. naye yo ye speaker olwokuba alina ebiragiro bye n'agamba nti abakulu bagende mu liivu bakole kuteeka naye ekyo kiraga nti palamenti yaffe gyeraga tegenda ba independent twetaaga tubeere nga bye tudiscussinga nga bye bassaamu ekitiibwa lopu sitasoose ku mulembe gwa NUP tulabye ba lopu okuva mu bibiina ebyenjawulo naye ku luno Honorable Joel Ssenyonyi gweraga gwe batagetinze
osobola kwagala kukozesa amaanyi g'olina obungi kubanga ffe gwaffe gwa kuteeka gavumenti okutuwa accountability okukola checks and balances kati gavumenti yekozesa gundi yaayo numerical strength okurunning away from the other obligation opposition gyeyina okulaba nga egiholding accountable so teeka funyo teeka liri against